A new app hit the Play Store that aims to take that tiny little speaker on your phone and turn it into one of a collection of perfectly timed loudspeakers, united by one amazing song playlist after another. Of your choosing, of course. It's called AmpMe. And the minute I heard of its ambition, I was intrigued. So first, taking a look at the app itself, the main screen is split into two easy-to-understand sections. First, you can host a party. Your phone will act as the jukebox for any other devices connected to your hosted party. Tap that to prepare your party, and you'll then need to set up access to a SoundCloud account to get started. Yes, this is a big downside, as not everyone uses SoundCloud, but let's excuse that limit just for a moment. I'll scan through and select a yellow gold playlist. I'll go ahead and fire that up and then sync a friend, where I'm given a unique party code. This is the 4-digit code that I'm going to give to my friends who all hopefully have installed AmpMe on their devices. They'll go ahead and fire it up on their device and tap Join a Party from the main screen. Now, on both devices, it's suggested that you pull that volume slider into the zone that says sweet spot and then hold the devices close to each other and let AmpMe do its audio syncing voodoo. I had some luck going outside of that zone, but your mileage may vary. Once it gets a lock, it'll sound a chime, and then that music should be playing through both devices in perfect sync with each other. The idea being that the more tiny speakers playing the same audio in a room, the louder and fuller it will be for everyone. Being that AmpMe is cross-platform with an app for Android and iOS, you should have plenty of devices to tap into at your next party, and it also works with Bluetooth speakers. I'll admit it took me a few tries to get perfect sync locked in, but I eventually got there. Not sure those repeated tries would be very awesome in a party situation, but who knows. And I also noticed that letting the display go to sleep would sometimes throw sync off at times, requiring me to resync once again. Now, as for the limits to SoundCloud, the developer has expressed interest in broadening music selection offerings to music stored on the device. And I'm sure they're interested in opening it up to any of the main services people use for music right now. But at the moment, it's an interesting proof of concept with serious potential. Find AmpMe in the Play Store right now for free.